It's simple time and I'm Chef Tatong at magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple at very quick recipe today. Are you ready, guys?
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha, ha.
So today, gagawa tayo ng isang base na pork steak recipe. Isang very basic recipe, pero gagawin nating mas fancy by adding vegetables. So remember guys, itong base recipe, you can play around with it and add whatever you want para medyo dumami siya para sa malaking pamilya at saka medyo matatakaw ng kapamilya natin. And here we have pork steak. This is around half a kilo of pork steak. So ito siya, pige, no? Which we cut into strips, no? Flat, and ganon siya, mga 1-inch strips, ganyan siya. And we're just going to marinate it very simply. So, we have here is soy sauce, around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons also of, yan, calamansi, black pepper, yan, cracked black pepper, and cornstarch. So, this is around 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yan, mix it there. Marinate very simply, yan. So, why are we adding cornstarch? Para ma-sear natin yung ating pork. And secondly, mas kumapit yung ating sauce. Now, gagawin na rin natin yung ating sauce. So, very easy to do our sauce. So, we have a little bit of water. This is around 1/4 cup of water. We have 1/4 cup of soy sauce as well. Combine. We have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So, yung sauce natin, ihalo na natin para mabilis tayo. Quick preparation, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yan. So, combine that. So, I add oil. Around 4 tablespoons of oil. And I want it to be very hot before I add my pork steak, no? And my pan is hot enough. I'm going to add half of my pork steak. Look at that. Kung mapapansin mo, nagsisir siya. Hindi siya nagiging matubig, no? Kasi yung cornstarch will absorb the moisture, no? And I have an extra plate over here. Set it aside. Quick lang na cooking. Oh, look at that. Very quick. No? Yan. So, bakit maraming oil? Kasi dito na tayo magsosote lahat. And now, we do the second batch. No? Let it recover its heat. Now, we saute again. It's hot enough. So parang, ay, hilaw yata yan. Medyo hilaw nga siya, tama kayo. But we will still cook it together with our sauce, remember that. Already seared. Again. Put it aside. And now, we saute our garlic in the same oil. Di na tayo nagdagdag. So, I want to bring out the flavor of the garlic. And I add my mushrooms. Add my corn. Then the sauce. Yan. Be sure everything's dissolved and incorporated. Let that simmer. So you can add whatever vegetables you want here. So we put back our pork into the pan. And remember, we already placed cornstarch in the marinade. It will thicken on its own. You don't have to add anything else to thicken the sauce. Look at that, no? I'll just add some more black pepper because I love black pepper. My pork is already done. Look at that. The sauce is thick. And I add my white onions, diced white onions, and red bell peppers to finish. Yan. Sobrang bilis ng recipe na to. And to give it an Asian touch, I'm just going to finish with a little bit of sesame oil. Yan, around a tablespoon or so. And, of course, we're ready to plate, guys. Ito, konting kanin. Perfect na to, di ba? You can serve this even with noodles. Masarap siya with noodles. Here's our own version of pork steak with an oriental touch. Medyo Asian yung feel niya. Bagay sa rice, bagay sa noodles, and bagay sa mas marami pang ibang vegetables. Try this at home. You will surely enjoy this. At tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple! you enjoyed this video, please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.